Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can send a camera roll snap to someone on Snapchat. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now tap on the photos icon. After that, select the camera roll. Now tap on the snap you want to send someone. After that, select the send to button. Now select the person to whom you want to send the snap. And then hit the arrow icon. And that's it. Your desired snap has been sent to the person. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.